Play is often talked about as if it were a relief from serious learning. For children, play is serious learning.
The Children's Museum, which is right in the heart of Midtown Cleveland, they've restored the fabulous old Millionaire's mansion on Euclid Avenue to its glory, and we're going to be drawing over 100,000 kids to Midtown every year.
I was given a blank slate of this huge building. When everyone walks in, they see the big sign that says, "Let me play," and it really is to remind everyone how important play is to young children. We have a scarf shooter, a whirlpool, a vortex, a bubble machine.
My favorite exhibit would have to be the Wonder Lab, because you have different experiences, so you can like make a little water challenge here, and then over there you can have a whirlpool and change the way it goes.
We've got a net, we've got a construction zone, we've got a pretend playhouse, we've got a climber.
The most fun would be this construction area. I love it, and it gets me engaged in it.
We've got a dollhouse exhibit, and we've got an art room.
We went up and we saw all the doll houses, and we found all the labels inside of them.
I think Adventure City really captures open-ended exhibit spaces in a lot of loose parts, and you could see from the way kids are using it, it is an amazing way for kids to play.
It's been about 2.5 years since they first identified this building and fell in love with it because, as Maria says, it looks like a dollhouse.
I really enjoyed this place, and it was a good idea that people decided to make this something new and fun.
Grateful to have entities like Cleveland Development Advisors and others who were able to help funnel new market tax credits to save these properties. And I think from a physical building standpoint too, the reuse of this building is consistent with what we've seen throughout Midtown and Cleveland.
At one time, this area was depressed, and so seeing all the new buildings and the new development, exciting for the city.
I've been to the old one, and it was fun, but it just, for the size of Cleveland, it wasn't big enough. You look on the wall there, you've got 3 more things planned. You got a theater, you got a music room, I guess, that's coming up, and you got like a little kid room.
So anytime you have an environment where kids have an interactive learning experience, it's fantastic.
We are so excited that our youngest learners will have a place where they can have a place that's open-ended play, that they can explore, they can problem solve, they can connect, creating the building skills of the 21st century learner.
It was an amazing experience.
I had a lot of fun today. So.
Me too.